Hello and welcome back to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation with white calcite, the stone of spiritual awakening. For those who have watched my videos before, thank you so much for watching again. And for those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon, and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, the tools, and the opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these guided meditations are an opportunity to practice sitting with a gemstone, feeling its energy, hearing about its supportive benefits, and deciding if that's a gemstone that you need to work more with. If you haven't already watched the video, the top 4 crystal healing benefits of white calcite, then I'll link that in the eye above. You may want to pause this video and go watch that one to hear more about the positive benefits of white calcite before you start into this meditation. And if you have been watching my videos and you're enjoying learning about crystals and gemstones, then make sure to subscribe to the channel because I post 4 videos a week about how you can use crystals and gemstones in your practical life situations, and you don't want to miss a single one. So the only 2 things that you'll need for this guided meditation are some white calcite, but you don't need the white calcite to benefit from this guided meditation. If any of the prompts that you hear while you sit through this guided meditation really call to you or speak to you, then that's a sign you should get some white calcite to work with it some more. But for your first time through the meditation, all you need to do is picture a snow white gemstone in your mind. Then you'll need a comfortable seat. So that can be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, or directly on the ground outside, just as long as you can stay alert and comfortable for about 10 minutes while we go through the guided meditation. So if you have your white calcite, or you're ready to picture it in your mind, and you have your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. Does it feel smooth and easy or constricted? How does it feel to you right now? And then bring your attention to your physical body and notice any sensations that you might be feeling right now. And check in with your heart center and notice what emotions might be with you right now. And then checking in with your mind and notice if your thoughts are clear or if you have a lot of thoughts. There is no right or wrong way to be right now. We're just checking in to see what's going on with you right now. And then bringing your awareness to those parts in your body that touch the chair or the floor beneath you. And remembering that you are in direct contact with the entire earth. You're sitting right on top of it, directly over the center, and you have all of the support of the earth and access to all of its energy. So it will guide and support you during this guided meditation today. And if you have your white calcite, then pick that up and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies from the crystal today. And take a minute to feel this gemstone in your hand, to feel its weight and the surface. Is it smooth? Is it rough? Are there parts with chips? And take a minute to get to know your piece of white calcite. If you don't have a piece, then picture just this clear, not clear, but snow white gemstone in your mind. Notice if anything has changed with your body, your heart, your mind since you've picked up the white calcite. And then imagine a bright white star shining above you. And brilliant light just shines down on you. It streams down and surrounds you, providing deep cleansing and awakening. And sit with this image of white calcite energy for a minute. White calcite is the stone of spiritual awakening. So as you sit and hold or imagine the white calcite, consider the following questions and how they may or may not relate to your life right now. Do you feel that you or your home are in need of an energetic cleansing? Do you feel stuck in your spiritual journey? Are you currently learning new spiritual concepts or practices? Do you wish to awaken or deepen psychic or intuitive abilities? Do you feel the need to get in better touch with your emotions or with other people and your emotional connection with them? All of these situations are supported by white calcite. And if one of these situations stood out to you more than the others, then bring that back to you, to your heart, to your body. And sit and consider that situation while you hold the white calcite. Notice if anything has changed about that way that you feel about that scenario since you've been holding the white calcite. And notice if anything has changed in your body, your heart, your mind since you started this meditation. And then release the image of the white calcite energy and release the situation you were thinking about and just come back to your breathing. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today to sit in this guided meditation with white calcite. And I hope that you found it useful. And if you do feel like white calcite is a gemstone that you would like to work with more, these guided meditations are meant to be repeated about 2 to 3 times a week for a couple of weeks until you can really call up the energy of the white calcite very quickly as soon as you need it. And that is the essence of incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life, knowing which situations you want help with, knowing which gemstones will help you, and using them when you need them, and practicing. So If you have been watching this channel or you're new to this channel, then I talk about a different gemstone every single week and how it can help you in real life situations. So if you would like just a really in-depth exploration with crystals and gemstones, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss a single gemstone video. So thank you so much, and I will see you again next week.